Becoming a male or female model is tough, especially if you're trying to figure it out on your own. It took me about 5 years of mistakes and false starts before seeing any success. My name is Felix Obas. In the past 10 years, I've worked on over 100 different photo and commercial shoots with local and major international brands like Versace, Nike, Toyota, and many more, allowing me to travel and live in different parts of the world. I actually got my start after getting approached by a modeling scout at my local mall and by watching YouTube tutorials. Although YouTube is a great free option, you end up paying the price in time. It took me years of sifting and watching lengthy YouTube tutorials and making my own mistakes to get to where I am today. However, the alternative to going to a modeling school or taking several modeling workshops, like many of you, I could not afford it. So I created a solution that sits somewhere in the middle. It's called Model Guide Pro. It's an online course with an online community that teaches you in weeks what it took me years to learn. You'll get the practical knowledge you need to get signed with a reputable agency and find fulfillment as a model. In this video, I wanted to give you a quick rundown of what Model Guide Pro includes. We currently have over 30 organized training videos teaching you everything you need to know from beginning to end. From the mindset you need to have and the common pitfalls to avoid in the Getting Started section. 5 questions models need to ask a photographer in the booking section, and a business section dedicated to helping you succeed as a working model. And a job shadow section so you can get a behind the scenes look that takes your new knowledge and lets you see it in action on several photo shoots in order to help you improve your skills on your next photo shoot. And finally, as a free added bonus, I brought my personal trainer Tay on board to create a full workout program, including yoga, called Model Fit Pro. This 6-day fitness and yoga program will get you in top shape with minimal equipment needed, just in time for modeling season. You can watch it at your own pace as many times as you want from your phone or your computer. So whether you're a beginner with zero knowledge or you're a seasoned pro looking to get some insight and network with other models, this program has huge benefits for all. Achieving your modeling dreams is easier than you think. Join Model Guide Pro today. Learn what you need to be successful and have the modeling career you desire.